Welcome, my fellow confidence seekers. Today, we're diving into secrets of unlocking your inner superpowers and becoming a true confidence master. Confidence isn't just a trait, it's a superpower that empowers you to conquer challenges, chase dreams, and rock every aspect of your life. Are you ready to level up your confidence game? Let's dive into some engaging tips that will help you boost your confidence to new heights. 1. Know your strengths because they are your superpowers. Identify what you excel and embrace it with pride. 2. Set small goals and celebrate your wins. Every step forward is a victory that fuels your confidence and propels you towards success. 3. Crush negative thoughts like a pro. Replace self doubt with positive affirmations and believe in your unshakable conviction. So, my fellow confidence warriors, I hope it'll help you. Thank you. By the way, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.